This was a close one, y'all. This was very close. All right, you ready? In third place with 245, Delta Gamma, everybody! Awesome job, awesome job. Second and first was very, very close. I mean, a matter of 3 points. With the score of 267, make some noise for Sigma Kappa! Keep it going, Sigma Kappa. Awesome job. Awesome job. In first place, with a score of 270 points, and I promise not to Steve Harvey y'all on this one. Give it up for Gamma Phi Beta! Awesome job. You guys.
Stop it! Dogs all day and go G5.
I just want to say thank you to all the Gamma Phi's that showed up. Thank you.
Awesome. Let's give it up one more time for everybody up here. Delta Gamma, Sigma Kappa, and your winners, Gamma Phi Beta.
Thank you to everyone who came out and all the performances. They were awesome. Every single one of you did an amazing job, and thank you so much everyone helping support our philanthropy. Have a good night.
We also have t-shirts for sale in the back for $15. Sound and Milledge t-shirts.